It's February 1st, and you know what that means? My beginner challenge starts right now. This month is the biggest drop I've ever done to date. We finally have amazing, delicious, healthy recipes on the Justin Agustin Fitness app and justinagustin.com. These are video recipes from my beginner nutrition guide written by precision nutritionist Julia Ballard. She was so kind to share these recipes to us, so we cooked them on video just for you. Honestly, they're so easy to do and they're absolutely delicious. And of course, let's talk about the actual workout challenge in February. February is a month where a lot of people start to give up on their New Year's resolution. Their motivation starts fading away and they show up less and less. So what we're doing this month is to stay in movement. We're keeping it gentle and beginner level, but we gotta keep that blood circulating. This month, we're gonna be working from the comfort of your house. We have a seated upper body workout using a towel. We have a couch routine to help promote circulation in your lower body. We also have a 15-minute low-impact walk routine that's non-stop, a muscle activation workout that you can do from the comfort of your bed, and a hands and wrist routine to help promote circulation and improve strength and mobility. But that's not all. Kathleen was kind enough to film 4 videos for us that revolve around beginner bodybuilding. We're setting up our garage gym and we're starting to get a little bit of equipment, so we want to show you what you can do with minimal equipment at home. This month we're working with light dumbbells to build muscle and strength. There are so many videos to go through this month on my website and app, and of course you have the classic 30-day courses that you can do at any time on your schedule. You can also freely browse around the site and app and do whatever video that your heart desires that day. Sign up now to get unlimited access to everything that I just spoke about at justinagustin.com. Happy February. I hope you like the videos. Let's please stay consistent this month. You totally got this.